Alright, there we go. Let's have a look. Where's my knife? There's my knife. Let's have a look. What do we got? This I got from Aliexpress. I think, or Timu. Timu, I think. Yeah, Timu. Let's have a look. Yeah, what I was expecting. Jack stands for a radio control car. Yeah, jack stands for a radio control car. Yeah. Four. Damn. Metal. These cost me $23 delivered. Aliexpress. Might have been Aliexpress. I should check. Yeah, it was Aliexpress. Yeah, Aliexpress, not Timu. Huh. Check it out. How cool is that? Four of them. Yeah, these are Aliexpress, $23 delivered in Australia. That is so cool. Took about a week to get here to Australia. A week and a half, maybe? Not even, no, not a week for these to get here, delivered. And in excellent condition. That is so good. And they're going under a very special car. Let's take them. Very careful. Steel. Hear that? Metal. Love them. Steel and aluminium. So, you'll see where they're going in a sec. to do this. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. I think it'll be tweaked. Yep. There we go. I've got to answer the phone.